Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your printer cartridge on your HP Envy 5030 printer. We have two printer cartridges. That means one black and one is color. You do not have a lot of cartridges in that printer here. This printer contains only two of them. One is the black version. You can print with standalone the black cartridge system, of course. If you remove the colored cartridge, then you can only print in black. The next step is we have to open the service area. For this, we have to open this dock, as you can see. It's not the scanner area, it is above that scanner area. There is another lift possible area which we can then enter into the inside of the printer. If the device is on and you will open that hub here, that cover, then the printed cartridge will come out automatically, as you can see. Maybe it costs you a minute until this happens, of course, but if they are out, you can remove the cartridges. They are under such a clamp system attached, and this, I think it's not so reliable because it's only plastic clamped there. But okay. This printer is still 2 years old. We will see how long this printer will handle this. Okay, the next step is you can remove the old printed cartridge and you can get the new one. In this case, it's the original one. It is important that on the printed cartridge is a chip built on. Because of this chip, this communicate, here you can see the chip, this chip or this board will communicate with that HP printer. If you does not have, your cartridge system does not have this little main board, it will not work. So now you can see we remove the cover and then we go back to our cartridge docks. The printer has only one area where we can attach this black cartridge system because the dimensions are not the same both. You have to enter the color cartridge on the left side and the black cartridge on the right side. The first step is get it in position. Here we come with a 304 XL cartridge, and you can see now we will lock this into the printer itself. It's really easy, but you have to look that it will hold in position. Here we are, now click. Oh yeah. So now we can perform the same way with the 304 color, the 3-color cartridge system. And this is not good because we, or if we are still printing, we do not need the colors all in one printer cartridge. It's better to separate this, but it's so. So job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.